Learn a simple yet impressive pineapple cake that will have everyone asking for seconds. This beginner-friendly recipe is perfect for those who want to impress their guests with a delicious and effortless dessert. Our main ingredient is canned pineapple. The pineapple needs to be blended. Put the pineapple and juice in a blender. I use pineapple cut into pieces, but you can use whole slices. The only difference is that you will blend the pineapple pieces for a shorter time than whole slices. Just a few short pulses and you will have roughly chopped pineapple, just the way you need it. Of course, you can blend the pineapple until smooth, but then you won't get an interesting mosaic in the cake. 2 eggs and half a cup of sugar. Beat the eggs with the sugar. Add the blended pineapple. Continue mixing and start adding the semi-coarse flour. Slowly, gradually, a few tablespoons at a time. If you like this video, please subscribe and leave a comment. Mix the last few tablespoons of flour with 6 grams of baking powder. If you have a mixer like me, stop mixing from time to time and scrape down the sides with a spatula. Finally, add the flour with baking powder and mix for 1 to 2 minutes. Pour the dough into a greased baking pan. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes until golden brown. Time to make cream: 300 grams of natural spreadable butter, 200 grams of vanilla pudding, 20 grams of vanilla sugar, 1.5 tablespoons of sugar. Take a whisk and whip the cream. To prevent the ball from sliding around, roll up a kitchen towel and place it under the ball. Put the whipped cream in the fridge. Baking took me about 25 minutes. How can you tell if a cake is baked? Take a skewer and stick it into the middle of the cake. Remove it, and if it is sticky, the cake is not yet baked. Let the cake cool down. After the cake has cooled, spread the cream evenly on top. Finally, sprinkle with grated dark chocolate and place the cake in the fridge to chill at least for 2 hours. If you haven't seen my video on how to make carrot cake, you can find the video in the description below or on the screen in a card. Do you like cakes? Let me know what is your favorite cake.